What's up, guys? So it's currently the day before Fab Fords, and I'm going to school, and Joel's late once again, so this is a fat rip.
Friday.
Hi, I'm calling in for Joel Gutierrez.
So maybe they'll do something if they get a lot of people calling.
Yeah.
Can they see me? 100%, everything up and down?
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're in school currently. It's Friday. It is currently
Student?
11:55.
T-minus actually 16 hours till we leave.
Till we actually leave.
Let me look. Yeah, at 6 o'clock tomorrow, we have
They'll get the counter.
so let me look. 19 hours till we go.
That's till Fab Fords. That's where
Yeah,
we
so
yeah.
right now we're gonna pick up the Cobra after school, I think, and we'll see how it is. See if the clutch grabs.
Mach 1.
The Mach 1 has to get done. I gotta wash my car. Gotta detail the exhaust. I wanna clean it. I wanna polish it.
This is a throwback from the Shakedown. Remember that?
Dude, my car looks naked.
The stock taillights.
Hey, no skirts.
That's when Abraham was getting the show. This is like
the
a long time ago.
The Cobra looks naked there.
He's training the GT500 for a 350?
I'll let him tell you guys.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Alright. 350 what?
Hell no. Hey, Dumbo!
Damn it.
You wanna be in the vlog? You're in the vlog.
Oh, what's up, vlog?
Yeah. Tell them we're gonna go to LA this weekend, Fab Fords. Yeah.
They're going to LA this weekend, Fab Forbes. Subscribe, like, comment.
Subscribe to iDumbo.
Subscribe to iDumbo, Road to 1K.
Maybe it's in the garage, or it's pulled out. I gotta wash that.
There's some oldies cars. Huh?
There it is. Oh my god.
Oh, snap.
You wanna get out? Ooh, let's check it out. Woo! I wanna feel it.
How's it feel?
Butter.
Butter?
It's easy.
Yeah?
It's not that hard.
Put it in gear.
It feels
good?
The clutch doesn't feel too hard.
No?
It feels like
Like normal or what?
I mean, it doesn't feel bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
It feels lighter almost.
Maybe. Well,
Yeah.
we're all messed up. So.
We'll see. It feels good. Yeah, it don't feel too bad.
Dude,
It's smooth.
Good.
It's not bad.
Yeah, we're good.
Well, they might be on the lunch. Thank you, sir. Let's make your payment and be all good. Hopefully, it feels good.
Cash or card?
Card.
Billy drove it.
Yeah. Did it engage like hard or how did it feel? Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't drive too much.
Okay.
I think it's too noisy, man. I don't want to get pulled over.
You're lying.
Hey, put it on
Hey,
speaker.
wait. Hold on. Did you say
Wait, what happened?
Right now, we just picked up the GT350.
Shut up! You're lying. You're lying.
No, I'm just kidding.
Ah, you stupid! I told you. Wow.
I really thought you were gonna
You're not
get it.
funny.
I wasn't about it, but
You shouldn't.
it's no longer.
What? Yeah, we're at the shop right now where you picked me up. Where do you want to meet?
Well, I'm gonna go pick up my check, and then hit you up. Hit you up when I get.
That's what the old man has to do right here.
You know, sunlight. Oh, what the? Hard time. All right, first drive to the Cobra. Oh, grab so much lower.
All kinds of cars here.
Oh my god, the clutch grabs low, like easy now. We gotta break it in now. A new clutch break in.
Oh man, hey, breaking necks everywhere.
Oh my god. What the heck? I want to see how it shifts, because that's it shifts good now.
And did it clunk?
No, it
feel
shifts
heavy
good.
Huh?
It
feel like
shifts easy.
Yeah?
Oh my god, it shifts easy
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, what I get? RPM.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh shit, it's black over here.
What the?
Oh, wait, no.
He downshifted.
He downshifted.
The clutch is easy to shift like.
Pride
up, guys? So you guys can already see by the expression on my face, but the Cobra feels 1,000 times better. My transmission feels amazing. So basically, the transmission was the issue this whole time. I mean, the clutch was the issue this whole time, and I do plan on rebuilding the other clutch, but man, it shifts.
Feels like butter.
It's a different car, and I just can't believe it. Oh, let's try spin one.
People used to go there to do donuts.
Bro?
We're about to go eat. Catch you in the next clip.
Yeah.
Let you guys
We'll eat.
updated.
Good luck. Alright guys, so what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna check the adjuster. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit. It is a little bit loose, so we're just gonna check it out. Clutch definitely grabs harder though. If the transmission feels butter. Oh yeah, look at the adjuster, dude. Look how far out it is.
Did he adjust it more?
You can adjust it more. It's really loose, so I can still go in. That's you. I believe we got the clutch installed. Everything is good. The that shift.
Oh, it felt good. It felt really good.
We all knew something was wrong with something before.
Yep.
But so we're gonna head home, and I'm gonna polish the exhaust. Joel has to work in a little bit, and you know, this wouldn't be possible without my buddy Elias. You guys can hit him up on his page or their performance page. I'll put both of them here. But they gave me the best price possible, so you guys can hit him up for all your car part needs. And what's so funny?
Hey, look. For them that don't know, vlogging in public is...
It's awkward.
It's a little, yeah.
I don't
but
care.
you get kind of used to it, so it's good.
Yeah, so we'll
So
catch
it's
you
cool.
guys next time.
Hey, y'all Camaro owners, you gotta get your people, man. V6s. No hate, but he's trying to rev and
He is trying to rev.
Like, come on now. Come on now. Oh, he had the sunglasses. Chevelle. Damn! It was clean.
Alright guys, Joel's gonna drive the Cobra with the new clutch.
You can come around here 'cause the
Short people problems.
No, is it? It's high. Like
put it
high
lower.
up. How do you adjust it? Oh, you stay down?
Yeah.
Instantly? Oh yeah, that's weird. Still easy.
Yeah. How's it feel? Go left. Left lane. Stop. Just stop. Hey, you just burned my clutch. Wait, yeah, just chill. Joel burning my clutch out. Stay in this lane. Or you can go left. That's weird, guys. Yeah, what's this sound right here? It's a throttle bearing. Cause watch, listen. Her. I know, I never washed it. Did it go away? That's the clutch. I need to just tighten it.
You can try it.
Oh yeah, cause that's a cop going after someone. But because I've been spitting a bunch of flames and whatnot, and the no lift shift, it cuts ignition, and when I was spitting flames a lot, I think it messed it up, so, or it messed up the coil plug. So what I'm gonna do is replace those right now. It's weird in there. They pop off like that, and legit all we're gonna do is pop new ones in. We're just gonna do a quick little start just to see how it is. There's no tips on the back right now. I just want to see if there's any misfire. Hopefully not. So this is before. We'll get a before picture at least, and then you guys can see which side is which. I forgot. 400.
I just pulled up on your address. Girl, you always act so mad at me. Got some money for the night, yeah. New job, had to pull up on you right away. Tell your friends, let's throw a party, girl, don't ask questions.
Why aren't you putting it in?
Actually already good.
10:34,
Gotta unplug it.
night before. Where?
Unplug the light.
Dude, I'm trying to vlog here, man.
Hey, you filming? Alright.
Say it again, I'm gonna forget to press the record button.
Alright, so, you know, I'm gonna give Abraham a proper car wash. You know, you gotta get the honeydew snow foam.
Do you hear this
You
guy?
wanna do 2 pumps in the Alright, we'll do 3 just for the hell of it. Alright, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get water and, you know, just wait for me. You gotta shake it up. Alright, this is really good stuff.